All right, let's dive into how you can claim 100 gigs of free, truly sovereign cloud storage.
So think about it. Who actually owns all your stuff online? Right now, it's just a few giant corporations.
But that's all starting to change. A new wave of tech is here to put that control right back in your hands. This is possible thanks to something called a UID. You can think of it as your secure digital passport for the new web. And this isn't just another password. It's a single sovereign ID that works everywhere, giving you true control. And here's the best part. Creating your UID unlocks a massive 100 gigabytes of free personal storage space. So you're getting huge capacity, much better security, and one universal ID that you actually own. And the security is a total upgrade. With no single weak point, your data is way safer and more private. Look, this is so much bigger than just free storage. It's about reclaiming your digital freedom, for real. So how do you claim it? It's just 5 quick steps. Let's walk through them right now. First, head over to uid.linkspreed.com. This is where you'll create your universal integrated identity. Second, you'll complete a quick identity verification or KYC. This simple check just keeps the bots out. Third, once you're verified, use that brand new UID to log into the cloud platform at cloud.web4.1. Fourth, once you're on your dashboard, just look for the button to activate your 100 gigs and click it. And that's it. You're in. You can now start dragging and dropping files to upload them immediately. Now, here's a super important tip. You're in charge now. That means you got to keep your UID credentials safe. You see, this is way more than storage. You're actually stepping into Web4, the next evolution of the internet. So, you've got your own private space online now. The only real question left is, what are you going to do with it?